Dear aspirants, now this is the time to take your preparation to another level. If you have decided geography as your optional and your target year is 2027, then you should start your optional now. It would take at least 5.5 months for the completion of the syllabus, and you would also require rest of the months for the revision and the self-study. Therefore, I would recommend for the students who are aiming to take geography as their subject, then definitely they should start the preparation now. What would be different if you take the geography as your optional? How it would help in the preparation of the prelims and the mains? Let me give the concise viewpoint from my end. The first thing is it would help you a lot in the prelims, as 32 to 35% of the paper is coming directly from the geography and the optional. When you have prepared it so well, it becomes quite easy for you to attempt the questions. Second, the answer writing, GS1, GS2 would be overlapping, and it would become very easy for you to understand the main syllabus. Now third, with the comprehensive study of the diagrams and the maps, it would become very easy for the aspirants to attempt the questions related to maps. And the fourth, the dynamic part attached to the syllabus is very less. And having said that, if you have done the static portion very well, it's very easy for you to take your marks to 300 plus. If you see the previous year toppers list and even this time toppers list, you would definitely find many students from the geography optional. And if you have decided to take that, don't delay, join my classes as soon as possible. Thank you so much.